Hi everybody, welcome. It is day 3 of Treasure Trovember. If you haven't registered and downloaded our free guide, there is a link in the description. I encourage you to do that. You will get tips from past participants and how to do the challenge and all of that. So today's prompt is add some stripes. Add some stripes. So you could find an image from a magazine or a book or something that has stripes in it. You can draw your own stripes. You can paint stripes. You can do whatever you want to, however you interpret adding stripes. So add some stripes to your mixed media collage, and then we'll see you for day 4. For day 3 of the challenge, I used my trusty plastic ruler because I can't draw a straight line, some Tempera paint sticks, which were actually gifted to me by a local artist, and one of my favorites, the Stabilo Woody 3-in-1. After the video, I did fix the Woody with Workable Fixative because it is water soluble and could smear.